This is an unboxing of the M4 GP series exhaust. This is how it looks right now. We're gonna open it. My knife. This is very good packaging, not to get damaged while being shipped. Looks very good. Feels heavy. The design is very nice, matte black. The logo right here. This is how it looks on the inside. You can see a hole right there. Feels very good, quality is very good. See what else comes inside. Also, this comes with it inside. It is M4 sticker. Oh, 2 stickers, M4, and some instructions. Read first how to install the exhaust. Disclaimers, product warranty. Also, this comes with it. That is the M4 exhaust for Yamaha 2006 and up. 2006 until 220. Yamaha R6 slip-on. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mount it on the bike and hear it. Thank you for watching.